If you ask any backyard gardener what their favorite vegetables are to grow, undoubtedly the number one answer would be tomatoes. And for me, that's no different. But in the top five, okra for me would be in the in the talk. Um, Also known as ladyfingers, is a flowering plant from the mallow family. It has green edible pods. Some varieties also have burgundy. The geographical origin of okra is in dispute. However, most scholars believe it comes from West Africa, and it's used around the world in various dishes, and various cultures grow it. So today I'm going to talk about my 10 okra plants. Okra is a perennial. It's often cultivated as an annual in temperate climates, often growing to 6 feet 7 inches tall. It's related to other plants such as cotton, cocoa, and hibiscus. The leaves are 4 to 8 inches long and broad and have 5 to 7 lobes. The flowers are anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in diameter with 5 white to yellow petals, often with a red or purple spot at the base of each petal. The flower usually closes up and turns into a pod with a length of approximately 4 to 7 inches long. It has a pentagonal cross section that has numbers of seeds in them. In the United States, much of the supply of okra is grown in the state of Florida, especially around Miami-Dade and southern Florida. Okra is grown throughout the state in some degree, so okra is available 10 months of the year. Yields range anywhere from 18,000 pounds per acre to over 30,000 pounds per acre. Wholesale prices can be as high as $18 a bushel, which is about 60 cents per pound. Okay, as I mentioned before, I have 10 okra plants. The variety we're standing next to now was given to me from a fellow YouTuber, Travis, over at Lazy Dog Farms. Do not have the name of it. He calls it the Ruiz, R-U-I-Z, okra, because of the last name of a gentleman who sent it to him. This is my first time growing this year, and I must say I like it a lot. It is about 5 feet tall and has multiple pods, and every other day pretty much I have to come out and cut it. If I don't come out and cut it, the pods get pretty long and they can become pretty fibrous. Okay. These are 2 okra plants where the seeds I purchased from a dealer in Ukraine, and I planted these in another video maybe a couple months ago. They have really taken off and grown pretty tall, and it looks like I will start to have pods forming on these as well. Some of the good traits of okra: fiber. Okra is a good source of fiber, with a single cup of cooked okra providing 4 grams of fiber. This can help with the digestive system working well, and also may help to reduce the cholesterol levels and help reduce heart disease. Okra is also a rich source of vitamin C, with a single cup providing around 20% of your daily needed intake. Vitamin C is an important nutrient for maintaining a healthy immune system, and also for protecting the body against stress and So I spoke of two varieties of okra that I have. I'm actually growing three different types. The third type is Clemson spineless, and it is pretty much like any other variety of okra, um, except it is pretty. It's real prolific, and if you leave it, don't harvest the pods often, they will become very long and woody, fibrous, and won't be good to eat. Many of you, especially those of you in the north, may not know what okra looks like. So here's a pod, and inside of the pod are several, lots of seeds. Sometimes I will take the seeds, take the pod, and let it dry out naturally, and save the seeds so that I have a future supply for future plantings. Now, if you're from the South, most of your life you probably have eaten or had okra. There are several ways that I enjoy it. I enjoy it in soups, gumbos, stews. I like to pickle the okra, and I really don't have any bad things to say about it. Okra has been a staple in my family for all my life. Some folks don't eat the okra because of the slime, but if you cook the slime or cook the okra, the slime goes away and it's real tasty. My favorite way to have it raw is to pickle it. Um, Sometimes I make it spicy, sometimes not, depending on what mood that I'm in. But if you are on the fence about okra, give it a try. You might like it. So I want to thank you for coming along and watching me discuss my love for okra. If you got something out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider taking a moment to do so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, including okra, by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website and you can purchase them there. Okra is an interesting plant and a very good plant for you. So I love it. There are some varieties that I'm not too fond of. The burgundy, there's a variety called Texas Hill Country. It's short, maybe about 3 inches long, 4 inches, and very wide. Or and I really wasn't too happy with that, but I will be willing to try any variety of okra at least once and taste it. There are several different types of okra. In my seed container, I have, last time I counted, I want to say 8 different types. So get out there and give it a shot. You may be surprised. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and as always, give God the thanks, for without Him, we are nothing.